And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
Put that in perspective for just a moment. Maria was a Category 4 or 5, right? You got a situation where Fiona was a Category 1, and they're getting compared to be the same. It goes to show you that sometimes a category of a hurricane really means very little because it only takes into consideration the wind. It doesn't matter if the rain or storm surge is really impressive. It's just a Category 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 based on the winds only. You saw the destruction in Puerto Rico. We've had another name system since Fiona. Gaston got named yesterday, and we're on not Hermine, but Hermine, or Hermione. Is that what I think it is from Harry Potter? It's going to be Hermine, and that's going to be named shortly soon. There's another system south of Fiona that will likely get named in the next 24 to 48 hours. But let's focus on Fiona. Kind of in the middle of nowhere right now, which is good, because the winds are up to 130 sustained, gust 160. That's a Cat 4 hurricane. It's our first major hurricane of the season. Major hurricane being that is a Cat 3 or higher. Once those sustained winds get above 111 miles an hour, it becomes a major hurricane. There are hurricane watches out for Bermuda. Thursday night into Friday passes to the west, but the area that probably will take on even more in the way of wind and rain is when the system actually loses its tropical features and lifts north up into Canada. There's going to be tremendous wind and rain in areas like Prince Edward Island, Newfoundland, Nova Scotia, and enough cold air that as a tropical system moves north, it could turn over to a little snow for areas up in Canada as it pulls away. Sandy actually did that in the lower 48 back in the day, but nonetheless, pretty crazy. So high surf advisory for our area. We knew this was going to happen for Thursday night into Friday. Fiona passes well to our east, but it's been churning up those waves and the swells and the surf, and it gets all rough. Luckily for us, that day on Friday does not scream beach day. When I show you the temperatures for Friday, I don't think you're going to want to go swimming. But for those of you who like to fish off the rocks, go on the jetty, be careful. Those swells can come up, surprise you, and not good. All right, temperatures outside today, the mid to upper 60s. We did get some sun eventually. It took a little while to get there. You can see this massive amount of cloud cover kind of thinning out throughout the day. And we may break up the clouds temporarily, but there's more on the way. There's a frontal boundary back here. You can see the clouds moving into western New York and western Pennsylvania. That's our rainmaker for tomorrow. And it's also going to bring some very cold temperatures for this time of year for Friday. And it's here, and that's where all the cloud cover is, and the showers and thunderstorms arrive for tomorrow. So what does this front do? Well, it brings some showers and storms tomorrow. That could produce some very heavy rain. The system is moving very quickly and progressive. So even if you have downpours, likely flash flooding will be limited because of that. Chilly and breezy Friday and Saturday, really chilly Friday night. And then it also helps us because it pushes Fiona to the east, which is a good thing. All right, so temperatures tonight, low to mid 60s, cloudy. I don't think there'll be much in the way of any kind of fog. Just kind of cloudy conditions. And showers and thunderstorms on the heels of the morning commute tomorrow arriving and throughout the day. Temperatures generally in the low 70s. Again, that rain will be heavy at times. Get caught in a downpour, 2 hands on the wheel. Hydroplaning very easy. But again, flash flooding likely not a concern. Showers and storms for southeastern Mass. Your temperatures in the low to mid 70s. We'll time it out for you. Futurecast. Here comes the clouds after midnight. Boom, there they are. There's your rainfall by about 7, 8 o'clock. You get one push of some pretty heavy rain in the morning, and then there's another round of rain that has to come through in the afternoon, and that's pretty impressive. Between about 1 and 4 p.m., it's going to rain like cats and dogs, briefly out of here quickly by evening and clearing things out and really cooling things off. After some clouds Friday morning, the only thing you're going to be talking about is 50s, gusty winds, and a chill like October for Friday. Moderating temperatures for Saturday and Sunday. It gets better, near 70 Sunday, before some rain for early next week on Monday, before sunshine pops Tuesday and Wednesday. Tiffany?
Thanks, Jeff. Let's take a look at what's making news.